top 3 reasons why Cardano will hit $10 in 2021. Welcome back, guys. It's Crypto Oracle from Rockstar Trading Channel. In today's video, guys, I'll talk about what Cardano is, I'll talk about the roadmap, and I'll talk about the first reason why I like Cardano so much. Then I'll talk about Cardano staking. That is one of the most important things about Cardano. What I like about Cardano, 72% of all ADA is now staked. And then, guys, the third reason will be the bull market. And we'll do what we do best. We'll talk about price, where I've entered, how I've traded exactly in the Rockstar Trading Group. In the YouTube videos, I share exactly my entries, exits. In the Rockstar Trading Group, I share, updates with stop levels. And as the price is moving, I provide updates and how I'm trading it. The YouTube videos, I talk about when to buy, when to sell, which coins I'm looking to sell and buy. In the Rockstar Trading Group, I show exactly when to buy, when to sell with targets and stop losses with a strategy. If you are interested, there's a special offer this month to trial us for a month for less than $30. I'll leave the links below if you are interested. But let's get straight into Cardano. So Cardano, guys, it was launched by Charles Hoskinson. He's a co-founder of Ethereum. So he's a very knowledgeable guy. He's been in the cryptocurrency and the blockchain market since the start. And one of the most important things about Cardano is their research. How Cardano it works and develops in a very methodical way is different to a lot of the other cryptocurrencies. The methodology that Cardano uses is, again, the academic research, prototyping, the programming is very advanced compared to some of the other markets. If you look at Charles Hoskinson compared to some of the other CEOs and the leaders, the founders of other cryptocurrency, you'll see why the Cardano is doing so well. And it's not just about that. They've actually proved it. If you look at their roadmap from Shelley mainnet launch, again, if you haven't watched my Cardano videos, this is not an after the fact. Watch my previous Cardano videos. I've been talking about Cardano from less than 20 cents. I've been talking about Cardano. People used to call me crazy when I used to talk about these prices. When Cardano was less than 10 cents, I was talking about Shelley mainnet launch and how I was trading it. I'll share with you trade entry strategies now, how you can exactly get in with targets. But I've been doing that since way back, and that's one of the reasons I love when projects actually deliver news. And I'm not an expert in coder or cryptography or blockchain. I like to follow, see which project has hype. Cardano at the moment has massive hypes, and it still has room to grow. Cardano could be could be accepted on Coinbase. If Coinbase has Cardano, then Cardano will have a lot more publicity. People could just buy Cardano going into Coinbase. That will give them a massive exposure. So that could be a big news. I've been talking about Shelley mainnet launch. Now is Gujon, and Cardano is always coming up with updates. And watch my previous video. I won't get into all the latest news, but you can watch my previous videos for dates and news that I use, and I use them to trade. If there's a big news coming up, I'll get in Cardano before that news comes up, and then I'll trade it as it's going up. I'll look to take profit as it's going up. We can see I've already taken some profits in Cardano at 120. That was my target from a dollar level. I shared that trade in a free YouTube live stream. I do a YouTube live stream once a month in a Rockstar Trading Group. I do live stream 3 to 4 times a week, courses, strategies, and the Telegram group. But I do a free YouTube video. I shared my Cardano trade. Cardano was just breaking out above $1, so you can go watch that video. So that's the first news. I really love what Cardano is doing. If we look at their competitors, Ethereum high fees has been a massive issue. Ethereum is still the leader, is the number 2 cryptocurrency. But with the issues that Ethereum has, I know Ethereum's trying to bring a new update, which will hopefully, fix the issues. Again, I'm not just trying to pick one. If Cardano is great, DOT can be great, Binance Chain can be great. I want to make money. I don't want to argue which is the best cryptocurrency. So, Cardano, if they can solve the problems better than other markets, Cardano could definitely take that spot. And at the moment, there's a lot of competition. But if Cardano can deliver on what they're saying and what Charles Hoskinson is saying, that could be amazing. So from the project point of view, I talked about, from the fundamentals, if you want to call it, like Coinbase news and hype, Cardano has definitely got that. And from a project point of view, Cardano seems to be a very good project with a lots of potential. So from a project point of view, from news point of view, and fundamentally, I really like it. And one of the other things I want to talk about is back in the bull market. Maybe I'll touch on this at the end, but from a project point of view, that's the first point the reason why I like Cardano is Charles Hoskinson and the research methodology, the way Cardano is always delivering on their promises as well. We've seen other currencies that don't really deliver on it. The next thing is staking, and this is probably one of the biggest reason. Almost 72% of all ADA is now staked, with 71.9 9% of total circulating supply of ADA is now staked. Cardano is still the most decentralized blockchain network on the market, and I think this is huge news. If you think about, demand and supply, this is what makes price go up. If there's less supply and there's more demand, the price goes up. And that is one of the most simple, basic, people have technical analysis, support, resistance, Fibonacci, moving average, indicators, but at the basic sense, it's literally just support, demand and supply. If there's more demand than sellers, the price goes up. And if a lot of supply is already held, Cardano could really go up. And when the price goes up, guys, people talk about market cap. Yes, it is important of what the realistic price could be. But when the price goes up, market cap goes out the window, and FOMO comes in. There's lots of new investors coming in now. I've seen it back in 2017. The prices in 2017 wasn't realistic at all. Scam coins were pumping 300-400%. So a project with lots of fundamentals and a cheap currency as well. So if people go onto Coinbase and exchanges, they can't buy one Bitcoin, but they can buy one ADA. So this reduction of supply is a huge news for Cardano, and I think, in my opinion, lots of people on YouTube and other social medias and other Cardano investors don't really talk about, and that is one of the reasons why I really like Cardano. So those are the top two reasons. And finally, I want to come to price. We are at the moment in a bull market. We've not seen this type of market since 2017. Every coin is going up. You've seen on my videos, all my videos is crazy, and I look like a genius now because every coin I talk about is going up. But it's quite easy to trade in a market and take advantage of it, guys. We've not seen this type of market since back in 2017. We've waited over 4 years for a market like this. Take advantage. And in a bull market, there's so much social media hype. We've seen, KSI, Paul, what's his name? I can't, lots of other people talking about, social media stars are talking about Cardano, and normal public are talking about Cardano. New money is coming into cryptocurrency and Cardano, so we can go on that bull run. So how am I trading Cardano? I'm not going to go back and share exactly how I've been trading. I'll share with you, watch my videos from last year. You can read the comments, what people used to say. I'll share with you how I'm trading now. So Cardano above $1, I'm bullish. So I'll read you the post that I'm looking now. So I wrote up a post, and as long as Cardano is holding above $1, I like Cardano. So if you want to buy some Cardano now, if you've not got any Cardano, look to buy some with the stop loss below, I'd say 60 cents. If it starts getting back below $1, I would look to exit. That's my strategy. Make sure you have a strategy. I'm just looking to say you buy now. Would I invest everything now in Cardano? No, because we don't know what the top is. And if we think about risk to reward, even if Cardano goes to my next target is there, if Cardano goes there, that's a 2x. But if this is near the top of Cardano could drop a lot more. So I would mainly trade now, investing the way I trade. Again, I'm just sharing with you my opinion. This is not financial advice. You look to invest when things are really cheap, and then you ride it. I've got some Cardano, I take profit. I'll share with you exactly where I took some profit. I posted, Cardano broke out. If you bought some before, take some profit at 20% and still stay in as long as Cardano is above there. So again, I shared, you can see when Cardano was just breaking out, and before that post, it hadn't really broken out. You can see that. So that's how I trade it. And I'm going to get in Cardano a few more times. I've taken a new position in Cardano. And then if Cardano gives me a pullback setup, please make sure you have a strategy. Whether you follow mine or have your own strategy, please make sure you have a strategy. If you don't have strategies, I know lots of people that held Cardano through the bull market to the moon and then literally rode it back 100%. So please don't be like that. Make sure you have a strategy. I know people that held Cardano to over $1 and rode it back down to 10%, 10 cent less, almost a 80-90% correction. So that's my thoughts on Cardano. And when price starts going up, guys, it can go parabolic. I've touched on why it can go crazy. I've shared with you from a trading point of view some realistic target it can hit in the next couple of months, and I've shared with you some crazy price predictions as well, because if Cardano starts breaking out using Fibonacci's, I've shared this before in using Chainlink example, and we've seen Chainlink hit 11 Fibonacci and even higher. But if Cardano hits around the 3618, that's around $5, and I think people will call me crazy again, but if we do see that crazy bull market move up, those prices could be realistic. So thank you very much for watching this video. Comment below your thoughts on Cardano. Do you like Cardano? Do you think Cardano can pump? Comment below your price predictions for Cardano and the thoughts on the project. I'll review the reasons why. First reason is the what the project Cardano is doing, the exposure it can get through Coinbase potentially, you know, the reason, the fundamentals, the upgrades that Cardano has, people get excited about it. And if Cardano can deliver on, go ahead of some of the competitors Cardano can really take cryptocurrency and blockchain to the next level. So that's fundamentally why I like Cardano. Second news I shared was staking. And again, if you're interested in staking videos, let me know, comment below, and I'm happy to make a staking video. I've made a staking video on Zilliqa because people requested. If you want me to make a Cardano staking video, comment below. I'm happy to make that video. And finally, the bull market move. Cardano is in an uptrend, you know, daily time frame, weekly time frame. I'm gonna look to buy pullbacks. As the more pullbacks we get, I'm happy to trade Cardano. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment below your thoughts on Cardano. If you are interested in our trading group, I'll leave the links below. There's a special offer for this month only. You can trial us for less than $30. If you are interested, take up on the offer. If not, guys, just smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification button. And let's have a really good discussion on Cardano. Fundamentally, I really like it. And this could be like the main pump coin. You know, back in 2017, XRP went crazy. And this time I'm seeing similar sort of hype with Cardano. So if we get that hype, I've talked about the project, the stake, and the bull market, we can see those crazy prices. So thank you very much. Smash that like button, subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys soon with another great video. Thank you very much. And go Cardano.